to this week's video. I'm Rock and today I'm going to be unboxing the Insta360 1R Twin Edition, as well as the bike bundle and the invisible selfie stick which comes with the bike bundle. So because my recent videos have been mostly mountain biking and we've been filming on GoPro 5 mainly and phones and then a few bike cameras, we just wanted to upgrade. So our choices were the Insta360 1R or the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Eventually we decided to go for the Insta360 and we'll talk about why as we go through the video. So first, let's open the Insta360 1R Twin Edition and see what's inside. So let's see what's inside the box. There is a core with an LED screen, and then on the top there's the on button and the record button. That there is where the SD card goes, and then that's where the battery connects there. And it comes attached with a 4K wide angle mod. One of the reasons why we got this camera over the GoPro is because it's modular. And because we got the twin edition, it comes with the 360 lens as well. So if you want to change from the 4K to the 360 at any time, just pull it apart and then you can just put it back together. And then another reason why we got this camera over the GoPro is because when you're vlogging, then instead of having the screen turned around so that you can't see it like that, then you can just turn it around so you can see it and see what you're filming. So that's much better. And then the battery just looks like that. It's got little bits that stick out which attach into the camera, so that just line it up and then press it in. And then that's it attached. And then when you want to take the battery off, there's a little slide button at the back. You just slide that across and the battery pops off. Then we have this little box here, and there's a USB charging cable, a mounting bracket, so when the battery's on it just goes round the camera. And then on the bottom it's got the same as the GoPro mount. So yeah, and then if you have this on, it's waterproof up to 5 meters. But if you want to go deeper, then there's an extra bit that you have to get. And then there's a lens cap which goes over the 360 lens to stop it and getting damaged because the lenses are sticking out. There's some bits which are the same as the GoPro. They just go onto the cap there, or onto the bottom bit, and then that just screws in. If you have any GoPro bits, then like that, and then it'll work for the Insta360 as well. And then we also have various instruction manual bits, some stickers, a cleaning cloth, and then this bag. Do not throw it away because inside there's silica gel, which is useful because when you're going to somewhere that's humid or is a lot colder than where you are before you go there, then you put the lenses in this bag and put it outside, so then the lenses, when they steam up, then the silica gel will just suck up all the moisture. So now we've had a look at the Insta360 1R Twin Edition, let's have a look at the bike bundle. So I've already taken everything out of the box because there's quite a lot. So we have a chest strap, some 3M stickers, some, I think they're plastic washers, but if you have any other, or if you know what they are, please let me know in the comments below. There are some mounters, a handlebar mount with a thicker bit in the middle that can come out, and then a thinner one. There are some various mounting points. They are screws that go through into the bits there, just like the GoPro. And then this stick is so that if you have got it attached to your helmet, then if you want more height, then you can attach that. So then the camera will be higher up. So now I'm going to show you how to mount in a few different places. So the first way I'm going to show you is by the handlebar mount. So you get your case with the camera in, and then bits on the bottom there, and the bits on the handlebar mount would just slot into each other, and then you'd get one of the screwers and just screw it in. So now that's screwed in, then you just unscrew that bit, and then it will open up, and then you can just attach that around your handlebars. But because this one's quite wide from there to there, if the space was too small for your handlebars, then you can attach this one instead, which is thinner. And it's quite good because if you press that button there down, then it can spin. So then you can have it at different angles. Another way to mount the camera is by the chest strap. So on the chest strap it has one of these, and then so you just need your case. I've got one of these bits already attached to it. So all you have to do is, once you've got that attached, just get the strap it in. And then when you want to take it out again, just press in them two bits and then it'll just come out. So another option is the helmet mount. So I've got the case and I've attached to it the rod. Now this rod just makes it go a bit higher on your helmet. If you didn't want it to be that high, then you can just skip the rod step and just go straight to the bit at the bottom, which is one of them. I've just attached it on by them screws again. And then with the bit at the bottom, just attach it into one of them. And then the 3M sticker will be stuck to your helmet, and then that will be stuck to it. So then you just stick it on, and then that's the helmet mount sorted. So now I'm going to show you the invisible selfie stick. As you can see, it is quite invisible. This is actually the invisible selfie stick. So it goes quite long. If you want to lock it so that it doesn't go back down, then you just have to twist each segment individually and then it will be locked. So I'll just put it back down. So if you want to attach it to your helmet, it can be used as a selfie stick as well, but when you're attaching it to your helmet, then it can have a fake drone effect. So what you'd do is you'd just get one of them and screw it into the bottom. And then it'll just be the same as with the rest. You'd just get one of them and then that would screw into there and then it would attach onto that bit which is on the 3M sticker. So that's just the same. And then to attach the camera, just get that and then you'd screw it in and then you'd get the camera and put it like that and then screw it in. So that's the invisible selfie stick. So that's the Insta360 1R Twin Edition bike bundle and the invisible selfie stick unboxed. I hope you enjoyed it. I really can't wait to use this camera and everything that comes with it. I'm going to be doing a review of it in a few weeks, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And I will be putting some of the footage in that I've taken with the camera as well. There's an app that comes with it that you can do editing on and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.